fight. A-Train spat in the fight.
A-Train playing mind games. Look at the Big Show sneaking up from behind the Undertaker, and the Undertaker had it scouted. He smelled a rat. Here's A-Train into the ring. Undertaker scoots away.
Oh, Goozle
looking for the quick victory in this handicap matchup. There's the choke slam.
That's it.
There's the cover by the Undertaker.
He got it.
There's two, and Big Show yanks the Undertaker off the cover. Now there's the quickness of the Undertaker. Again, ladies and gentlemen, this is a handicap matchup. The Undertaker's partner, Nathan Jones, was taken out by a sneak attack and ambush at the hands of Big Show and the A-Train, and also Nunzio from the FBI earlier on tonight on Sunday Night Heat.
Oh, the FBI and Nunzio, they were a little shangan, a little shady, you know what I mean? Well, look right now, the Big Show. Oh, hit the Taker.
The right hand by the Undertaker. It's a 2-on-1 matchup. A-Train and Big Show must tag each other in and out of the ring. Again, the Undertaker is 10-0 at WrestleMania. That streak is serious jeopardy because of that power.
How powerful is the Big Show, but how much heart does the Undertaker have? Beating up two gigantic athletes.
The Undertaker bouncing away. He's got to stay out of the corner. Here's the tag to the A-Train. You saw the Undertaker come out here tonight with an American flag adorning his motorcycle. The Undertaker has a nephew who is in the Army's 3rd Infantry Division fighting in Iraq. The Undertaker dedicated this matchup to his nephew. And there is a big hip toss by Big Evil.
Imagine Big Evil going to Iraq. Ought to be a lot of ass kicking then, that's for sure.
Amen. Uh-oh. You hear the rumblings.
Over 50,000 people screaming old school, baby!
Old school Undertaker coming blow to the shoulder blade. And now the big right hand knocks the Big Show off the apron.
Get out there, come on!
Oh, well, that's one way.
Stomp right on a man's fingers.
Oh, look at this. The derailer connects to the Undertaker.
Don't talk, A-Train. Stay on the dead man. Stay on the Undertaker.
Well, now he's going to feed Undertaker to the Wolves. The Big Show.
Yeah, that's one big-ass wolf.
The 500-pounder drilling the Undertaker back first into the steel post.
There is no give in that steel post. I don't care how big you are, that post ain't moving.
You're the Big Show and the A-Train. You have to be confident coming into this matchup. Look at the big strength Undertaker up the barricade, ripping the padding off that steel.
There's steel underneath that very light rubber coating. The dead man's face is flat right into that.
The Big Show put the Undertaker out of action for 3 months last year. A choke slam off the stage. You saw what the A-Train could do moments ago with that derailer. And now the double team, the numbers game, beginning to catch up to the Undertaker. The Decapitator from the A-Train.
Fitting name for that.
Quickly into the cup, hook to the leg by the A-Train, and the Undertaker, who is all heart, gets the shoulder up, and now a blatant choke in front of referee Brian Hebner.
No, it wasn't a choke. A-Train driving his form across the face of the Undertaker.
Here's the tag to Big Show. Comes in, the 500-pounder, 7 feet tall, a direct kick to the knee of the Undertaker.
You gotta respect it. You gotta respect what Big Show and A-Train are doing, trying to just slowly pick apart the dead man. But here comes the Undertaker. Oh, he's got to fight.
Whipped in the corner, elbow to the face of the Big Show. Big right hand of the A-Train, and the Undertaker trying to stay in this matchup. He's in trouble.
He's just always in jeopardy. Undertaker in this match got the deck stacked against him. Fujiwara armbar
locked in to the Big Show. Will the Big Show tap out? Undertaker saw A-Train coming head, and that again is the numbers game.
Right there, boom! Oh, go right there, cross arm breaker. Trying to lock out the elbow, hyperextend the elbow of the A-Train.
You can hear the A-Train. Big Show though, dropping that big leg across the throat of the Undertaker.
Like a small foreign car landing on your face.
It was one thing that A-Train and Big Show took out the Colossus of Fargo Road, Nathan Jones, earlier tonight to make this a 2-on-1 matchup. But now they are using the numbers game to their advantage, wearing out the Undertaker.
Big Show verbally punking out the Undertaker right now. Not sure I agree with that personally. You got to stay on him.
Oh, and a big headbutt to the Undertaker.
Massive dome of the Big Show.
We talked about the Undertaker in tremendous shape since he came back from the injury. But stamina is going to come into play here shortly, especially since Big Show and A-Train can tag in and out of the ring.
Right there. Got to see this abdominal stretch by the Big Show.
Can you imagine the pressure from the 500-pounder?
Yeah, the people chanting for the Undertaker to fight out of this. Big Show's so tall that
And look at the A-Train, again an unfair advantage by this team. Referee Brian Hebner's in the right place. A-Train was taking advantage.
Well, referee Brian Hebner's in the right place, and you see the guy's grabbing hands, but he's trying to see if the Undertaker will give up.
And there's the tag again to the A-Train. So Big Show and A-Train continue to tag in and out of the ring to keep each other fresh. The Undertaker has no partner to tag, and the assault has been vicious thus far.
You know the Undertaker, Cole, he ain't gonna complain and bitch and moan about it. He'll just keep fighting. Right here, great offense by A-Train, great psychology by both A-Train and Big Show. Another abdominal stretch, obviously working on the midsection of the Undertaker, driving the elbow in between the ribcage.
You hear the rumblings beginning to build among the 54,000 plus at Safeco Field.
Key here, if you're the Undertaker, you want to try and get that leg off of your leg of the A-Train. That's a big part of the leverage, but Big E looks like he's going to throw them soup bowls.
Bam! Right left hand. Well, look at this. A reverse. A reverse in the abdominal stretch. The Undertaker has turned the tables on the A-Train.
And the A-Train's got one hairy abdominal area. A lot of abdominal stretch.
Oh, look at this. Good red suplex connects.
Nice back suplex right there by the Undertaker. Good technique in that on the toes. Nice back off fight. Big E.
And you know, Big Show and A-Train have a lot to prove here. It was at No Way Out last month that The Undertaker was physically dominated by The Big Show. Defeated The Big Show, what many people called an illegal choke. At least The Big Show did. And what a clothesline from A-Train. Here's the cover on The Undertaker. Does he have it? No.
A-Train was able to get that clothesline on The Undertaker. Was Big Show smashing the dead man across the back of the head.
Big dog!
Now you hear the A-Train.
You ain't so bad, big dog! You ain't so bad!
Verbally punking The Undertaker.
Oh my God! You ain't so bad!
That's gonna upset.
You ain't no big dog! No!
And a right hand from the A-Train, who is now dominating the big dog in his yard.
Hey man, I can appreciate when a guy talks some smack to you. You want to go too far with a guy as crafty and cagey as The Undertaker. Be careful.
Oh, and a right hand as The Undertaker tries to battle back. The A-Train with a right of his own. But I think that first right connected, and it's knocked the A-Train for a loop. Undertaker with a right. And here comes The Undertaker.
Undertaker throwing some big hands. No. Oh, the speed of the dead man.
Shut up and fight, says The Undertaker, and he's doing that now. Here's the reversal off the ropes. Undertaker, the A-Train, and he had a clubby blow to the back of the neck.
DDT head first.
And here, the cover by The Undertaker, and Big Show breaks up the 3 count.
Hey, I'll tell you what. A-Train was going to get pinned if Big Show didn't do that. I don't blame the Big Show for doing that. And big ups to Brian Hebner to get the big monster out of that ring.
Undertaker's had enough. The Undertaker with a left to the 500-pound Big Show.
Number no.
Big right hand for good measure.
Uppercut. Clothesline.
The Undertaker's starting to roll. The adrenaline is starting to pump.
What a shot. Wow. That man's in high gear, Cole.
Big Show misses with a clothesline.
No way. No way Undertaker will get him up.
Big boot to the face of A-Train.
Undertaker.
Undertaker whipped off the rope. Big Show misses right hand. Oh! Knocking him down goes the Undertaker. Vintage Undertaker flying through the air.
Undertaker's fighting too many. He might be close to getting out of gas, Cole. Oh! Bicycle kick by the A-Train.
Right to the chops of the Undertaker, and that may be all she wrote. The numbers game may finally have caught up to Big Evil.
You need to top the Undertaker. You're letting him get to his feet. He might have got a win there.
And Big Show stomping.
Oh, I like this. This is it. Choke slam!
Choke slam! Flooring the Undertaker. And the mammoth Big Show and A-Train.
What the hell?
Wait a minute!
What the hell?
Where the hell's he going?
I don't know.
Hey, it's Nathan Jones! And a kick to the head of Big Show! Floors the big man! One kick! The cover by A-Train! He got Undertaker kicked out! Nathan Jones was supposed to be the Undertaker's partner in this matchup. He was taken out by the A-Train and Big Show in a sneak attack, but Nathan Jones is back.
What a spin kick dropping the Big Show. Nathan Jones is in the ring.
And a boot to the face. Oh, A-Train in trouble. Here we go.
Oh, boy. Might be tombstone time, Cole.
Tombstone pile driver cut axe. The Undertaker remains undefeated at WrestleMania.
technique right here by Nathan Jones. Watch this. Bam! Ladies and gentlemen, Nathan Jones just damn near knocked out a giant with a spin kick.
And it seems like it wouldn't be WrestleMania.
Oh, man.
Not a tombstone pile
Head
driver.
first, right on the head. Good night, A-Train. Thanks for coming. No way you're kicking that. American Badass, The Undertaker, standing tall with Old Glory. Big ups.